You know that feeling when you sit down to relax and your brain just won't stop? Like there are 100 tabs open and none of them are loading properly. That's what mental clutter feels like. And today, I want to show you the simplest thing I know to make it stop. Before we get into the how, let me explain what a brain dump actually is, because the name sounds a little intense for something that's actually really gentle. A brain dump is simply the act of getting everything out of your head and onto paper. Every worry, every to-do, every random thought that's been floating around. You're not organizing it, you're not solving it, you're just releasing it. Think of your mind like a glass of water that's been shaken up. A brain dump lets everything settle. You're not adding anything, you're just giving all of that mental noise somewhere to go. Here's what's actually happening when we feel overwhelmed. Our brain is trying to hold on to everything at once. Tasks, worries, ideas, memories, all at the same time. It's exhausting. And our brain isn't great at storing and thinking at the same time. When you write things down, you're essentially telling your brain, hey, I've got this. You can let go now. And it actually does. The mental load lifts. Not completely, but enough. Studies on a practice called expressive writing show that getting thoughts out of your head and onto paper reduces anxiety and improves focus. And a brain dump is one of the simplest versions of that. Okay, so let's actually do this. Here's exactly how I do a brain dump. And I want to keep this as simple as possible because the whole point is to make life feel lighter, not add more steps to it. Step 1, grab something to write on. That's it. A notebook, a piece of paper, the back of an envelope. It doesn't need to be a special journal. Anything works. Some people prefer typing, that's fine too, but I personally find there's something about handwriting that feels more releasing. Step 2, set a timer for 10 minutes. This matters. Open-ended tasks feel overwhelming. A timer makes it feel doable. 10 minutes is enough, and you might finish before it goes off. That's okay. Step 3, write everything. And I mean everything. Don't filter, don't organize, don't worry about spelling or whether something sounds silly. If it's in your head, write it down. That means the email you keep forgetting to send, the conversation that's been replaying in your mind, the grocery list, the worry you can't quite name, the creative idea you haven't done anything with. All of it goes on the page. There's no format, no bullet points required. Just let it flow. Step 4, walk away. When the timer goes off, or when you feel like you've gotten it all out, stop. Close the notebook. Don't organize it yet. Just let yourself breathe for a moment. That pause is part of the process. You've just handed your brain a gift. Give it a second to receive it. Now, here's where most people get stuck. They do the brain dump, feel a little better, and then don't know what to do with the page full of thoughts. And that can feel overwhelming all over again. So here's my gentle suggestion. After you've had that little breathing moment, go back to your page and do just one thing. Circle one item, the one that feels most urgent or most alive, and decide what to do with it. Not everything, just one thing. The rest can stay on the page. That's the point. It's out of your head now. The paper is holding it for you. You can do a brain dump once a week, once a day, whenever you feel the mental clutter building up. There's no wrong frequency. Some people like doing it first thing in the morning, clearing the overnight thoughts before the day starts. Some people like doing it at night, setting down everything before sleep. I find it helpful whenever I notice that heavy, foggy feeling creeping in. The key is this: don't make it complicated. One piece of paper, 10 minutes, everything out. That's the whole practice. You don't need an app, a system, or a perfectly aesthetic journal. You just need somewhere for your thoughts to go. If your mind feels heavy right now, if you're carrying a lot and you're not quite sure what it all even is, I really hope you'll try this today. Not because it fixes everything, but because even a little bit of relief matters. Even 10 minutes of quiet matters. A quieter mind isn't something you have to earn, it's something you can choose to create, one small, gentle habit at a time. That's what we're doing here at Minimalist Mastery, taking life one quiet step at a time. If this felt helpful, I'd love it if you'd subscribe. I put out new videos every week on minimalism, mental wellness, and simple habits for a calmer life. And drop a comment below. What's one thing that's been living rent-free in your head lately? You don't have to figure it out, just name it. That's the first step of a brain dump right there. See you in the next one.